Welcome to China. This guide will introduce various payment options and how to use them effectively. There are 5 main payment options available: bank card, mobile payment, cash, account, and ECNY. You can choose the one that best suits your habits and preferences. Let's start with the bank cards. If you prefer using bank cards such as UnionPay, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, Diners Club, and Discover, you can make payments at checkout counters displaying your card's logo. If you don't see the logo, simply ask the cashier if your card is accepted. UnionPay is widely accepted across China. If you prefer mobile payment, options like Alipay, Weixin Pay, and UnionPay are incredibly convenient to use. To get started, download the app from App Store and select English version. Register or log in using your mobile number and add your bank card. See, it's simple. Just a few steps and you are ready to go. Now you can make payments. There are 2 payment methods. You can tap scan and scan the merchant presented QR code, or by tapping Pay Receive to have the merchant scan yours. You can also apply for a tour card through UnionPay and use it after topping it up. If you have any questions regarding mobile payment, feel free to contact the English service hotlines displayed on screen. Do you already have a LEDwash? If you have the following wallets, you can make payments directly without downloading additional apps. If cash is preferred, that's no problem at all. For cash withdrawals, find an ATM with your corresponding bank card logo. It's incredibly convenient, isn't it? Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the staff about bank branches or foreign currency exchange outlets. You can also consider opening a bank account for a wide range of banking services. You can choose a bank nearby and open an account. So what are you waiting for? The ECNY is another option available. If you are interested, download the ECNY app and use it in pilot areas. For any inquiries, you can always reach out to the service hotline. Finally, we wish you a successful and enjoyable time during your stay in China.